Introduce highlight features or overview summary for POCBLUE dog stairs for small dogs, wide pet step with removable cover. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Different size to choose. Available in 2-step, 3-step and 4-step options, these dog stairs are designed to accommodate pets of various sizes, making them perfect for use with couches, high beds, or cars. The steps also feature side pockets for storing your pet's small items. Plus, a pet hair removal roller is included, making it easy to keep both the stairs and your clothes free from pet hair. Low-angle curved slope. Designed with small dogs, senior pets, and those with mobility issues in mind, our pet ramp features a low-angle curved slope that makes it easier for your dog to climb onto the bed or sofa. This thoughtful design helps reduce pressure on your dog's joints and protects their knees, offering a more comfortable and safe climbing experience. The POCBLUE dog stairs ensure your pet can move with ease and comfort. Safe and stable. Made from high-quality sponge material, this dog ramp offers a weight capacity of up to 50 pounds, providing reliable support for your dog's paws as they climb up and down to the sofa or bed. The soft, supportive surface ensures stability with every step. Meanwhile, the lightweight design makes it easy to carry, so your pet can enjoy the ramp both indoors and outdoors in various settings. Firm and non-slip. These dog stairs are covered in soft coral velvet fabric with a 3D textured surface, providing extra grip for your dog's paws to prevent slipping as they climb. The bottom features a non-slip point design that keeps the stairs securely in place, ensuring stability during use. This combination of materials offers both comfort and safety, allowing your dog to climb the stairs easily and confidently without worrying about displacement. Easy to install and clean. POCBLUE dog stairs feature a removable, machine-washable coral fleece fabric cover with a waterproof backing to protect the sponge from water damage. For added convenience, the stairs are vacuum sealed for compact packaging. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.